First this week, the announcement from LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. Gravitational waves were first predicted by Einstein. They're ripples in the fabric of space that move at the speed of light and are created by huge events like colliding stars or black holes. Despite the magnitude of these events, Einstein thought it would be impossible to observe them. However, 100 years later, scientists did find them back in 2015. This week, they announced a fifth detection, but this one is different, and I'm hoping my guest, Astronomer Royal, Professor Martin Rees, is going to tell me why. Hello, Martin.
Hello.
Why is this detection significant?
Well, it's more interesting because in this case, what was colliding was not two black holes, but two neutron stars. Now, neutron stars are stars that weigh a bit more than the Sun, but are only about 10 miles across, so very, very dense. And they collide and splash together rather like two black holes do. But when black holes collide, you don't see anything else because a black hole is essentially just much curved space. But when two neutron stars collide, you expect to see a lot of evidence for this collision in other ways, optical light, X-rays, etc. And what's exciting about this event is that they detected the gravitational wave from the merger, but less than 2 seconds afterwards, a gamma ray flash was detected from the same object. And since that time, about 70 different observatories have been looking at the afterglow from this event to try to understand what's actually going on in this very complicated physics. And the announcement was made on last Monday, and the lead paper has 3,000 authors, which is, I think, a record, at least for astronomy. And those are the 1,300 authors involved in the LIGO experiment and the gravitational wave experiment called Virgo in Italy, plus also the many hundreds involved in the other observatories which have looked in all other wave bands for evidence of this follow-up. And they've been observing this object, which is in a galaxy about 100 million light years away, for the last couple of months. It was actually detected on August the 17th.